Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower motifed cushions cover designs model knitted with wool. Let's start. A crochet flower motif cushion cover designs refers to a cushion cover that is adorned with floral patterns created through crochet. These designs typically involve crafting flowers individually using crochet techniques and then sewing or attaching them to the cushion cover. Here are some key features. Floral motifs. The cushion cover features various crochet flower designs, which can range from simple, single-colored flowers to more complex, multicolored floral patterns. Crochet techniques. The flowers are made using different crochet stitches, such as chain stitch, slip stitch, and double crochet, depending on the complexity of the flower design. Material. The cushion cover itself can be made from fabric or crocheted entirely, and the flowers are usually made from yarn. Style. These covers often have a vintage or bohemian feel due to the handcrafted nature of crochet, making them a popular choice for adding a cozy handmade touch to home decor. Such a design could be used in various home settings, especially in vintage, boho, or cottage style decor. Here are some tips for creating a beautiful crochet flower motifs cushion cover designs. Choose the right yarn and colors. Opt for yarn that complements your exciting home decor for a vintage or boho looks. Consider pastel colors, earthy tones, or vibrant shades that add a pop of color. Use cotton or acrylic yarn for durability and easy maintenance. Select a consistent motif. Decide on a single flower motif or a combination of a few patterns to create a cozy look. Popular flower motifs include daisies, roses, sunflowers, and lotus designs. Ensure all motifs are of similar size for a uniform appearance. Plan the layout. Adjust the flower motifs before attaching them to the cushion cover. You can create a symmetrical pattern, a random sculpture, or even cluster the flowers in one corner for a asymmetrical design. Create a solid base. If the entire cushion cover is crocheted, consider using a solid stitch like a single crochet for the base. This ensures stability and a good surface to attach the flower. Using a fabric base, choose a neutral color that enhances the flower motifs. Attach flowers securely. Use a yarn needle to spear the flowers onto the cushion cover. Ensure that the edges of each flower are securely attached to avoid tearing or coming loose over time. Add extra details. Consider adding crochet leaves, finish, or even small bees or butterflies to enhance the floral design. You can also add buttons, beads, or embroidery for a more intricate look. Finishing touches. Block the flowers before attaching them to ensure they lie flat and retain their shape. Add a lining to the inside of the cushion cover if needed to provide extra structure and durability. Experiment with textures. Make different types of yarn for a very good texture. For example, use a fluffy yarn for some flowers and a smooth yarn for others. Incorporate trendy flowers to add depth and dimension to the cushion cover. These tips will help you create a stunning crochet flower motif cushion cover that adds charm and character to your space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!